When we talk about climate change, we usually look up at the smoke and the rising temperatures. But there is another crisis happening right now. A hidden transformation is taking place beneath the waves. It's invisible, it's silent, and it is fundamentally changing the chemistry of 2/3 of our planet. It's called ocean acidification. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have pumped massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the air. When we burn coal, oil, and gas, or cut down forests, carbon dioxide builds up in the atmosphere. About 1/4 to 1/3 of that carbon dioxide doesn't stay in the air. It gets absorbed by the oceans. That sounds like a good thing, right? But it comes with a cost. Carbon dioxide reacts with seawater and forms carbonic acid. This lowers the pH of the water, making the ocean more acidic than it's been in millions of years. So what exactly happens in ocean acidification? When carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater, it forms carbonic acid. The carbonic acid breaks apart into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate. The increase in hydrogen ions lowers the seawater's pH, making it more acidic. The primary victims of ocean acidification are calcifying organisms such as corals and shellfish. These creatures rely on carbonate ions in seawater to build their shells and skeletons, which are composed of calcium carbonate. But the extra hydrogen ions that get generated during the dissociation of carbonic acid bond greedily with carbonate ions. This reduces the amount of carbonate available for marine life. In the absence of carbonate ions, reef-building corals struggle to build their stony skeletons, and their growth slows significantly. In severe cases, their existing skeletons can begin to dissolve. Creatures like oysters, clams, sea snails, and even some plankton struggle to build and maintain their protective structures. Their shells weaken, growth slows, and mortality rises. So, how does this impact Earth and humans? Since plankton and corals sit at the base of marine ecosystems, the entire food chain, from small fish to the seafood on our plates, gets affected. Coral reefs support 1/4 of all marine life. As they decline, so do the fisheries and tourism industries that rely on them. Healthy coral reefs act as natural breakwaters, absorbing up to 97% of wave energy. As acidification weakens coral structures, coastlines become more vulnerable to erosion, storm surges, and flooding, threatening coastal cities and infrastructure. Since the Industrial Revolution, the ocean's acidity has increased by almost 30%. That's a huge shift for a system that usually changes over geological time. In short, ocean acidification is a silent but profound threat, reshaping marine ecosystems and human lives alike. Tackling this requires urgent action to reduce carbon emissions and protect our oceans, the heart of Earth's life support system.